Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have September's beauty box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so September's Glossybox just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So I'm so excited to see what is going to be in the September box. This month we are back to the pink box. I always keep them. They're constructed so well. You can keep them for storage, for mailing things, Christmas gifts. You can put like things in here to wrap them up. You can do anything with them. So I definitely do like to keep them. And yeah, so again, it's the normal pink box. This is Glossybox. On the inside, it looks like that. You always get a ribbon, which I do keep. You never know when you need to tie something or somebody up. So we keep those. You do have a brochure, this gorgeous woman right there. And this is going to be for the September box. Inside we'll go over the pricing and it will tell us if it's a full-size product or a sample, deluxe size sample. It'll still give you the exact price for the size that you receive, and I really do like that. So when you first open it up, that's what it looks like. Sneak peek to inside of the box, hold on, is right about there. Ooh. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be in here. And on the back of this says, launching in September 2022, bigger and better than ever. Is there advent calendar? I cannot wait for advent calendar season. I've already purchased one. Hopefully it comes soon. I'm so excited to start bringing advent calendars to my channel. I love that time of year. It's my favorite time of year. Advent calendars, I love that time of year. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's going to be in this one. But again, if you do want to check out their advent calendar, you can go ahead and check them out. I will have them linked down below. And if they are not available just yet, I believe you can put in your email and they'll email you once they are available. So I can't wait. So the first item that we see inside, it says a tanning mist. Anytime I get any type of tanning products, I always hold these for you guys to enjoy. If it goes to you and it's not a tanning product that you would like, you can always pass it down to somebody else. Sharing is caring. That is my motto here. So definitely I will put this in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy. And it says that it's tinted in medium. So this right here is the deluxe mini and it's worth $6.50. The full size is a 200 ml valued at $26. And this here is a 50 ml. So then you can kind of see comparison to the full size. So this right here says, we love the quick drying tinted formula of this tanning mist. It makes it super easy to see where you've applied and control the color. Apply to clean, exfoliated skin and layer up to your desired intensity. Plus, it's enriched with aloe vera and hyaluronic acid to leave your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. You can find that at shoplookfantastic.com. So again, there's that. I will put that aside for one of you guys. I will put this in there as well. This is by Cab Cosmetics, and this is an Illuminating Dust Golden Hour. This is a full-size product valued for $26, and you can see their products at cabcosmetics.com. Let me show you what it looks like, and then I'll put it back inside. I'm not going to open it, but it is Golden Hour, and that's what it looks like. And then there's the packaging. There's the bottom. So this is the perfect shimmering highlighter to keep that golden hour glow all night long. Cab's beautiful velvet soft formula is designed to illuminate your most gorgeous features. Its rich golden color will flatter dark skin tones, while lighter skin tones may choose to mix with a bronzer or use as an eyeshadow. So you can definitely use it in different ways, not just a highlighter. But again, there is the color. I will save this for one of you guys. And again, that's valued at $26. So that product alone is more than this entire box in that one product. I like when that happens. So next we have, and this is the brand that, is this a shampoo? This is a hair mask. Okay, I'm going to try this hair mask. In this box, We got a shampoo and conditioner from this brand, and I went ahead and let my man try it, and he really, really liked it and wanted me to repurchase it. It's like $25 a bottle, so like $50 for the set. And he's normally like the cheapest person when it comes to buying products, and he definitely wants me to buy that for him. So he actually really, really loves this brand. So now I'm gonna try the Restoring Hair Mask. He don't need that. He's got his own shampoo and conditioner. This is the Deluxe Mini, and it is worth $5.10. The full size is worth 200 grams, and it's $34, and this is a 30-gram size. So you know, in comparison, prevent breakage and improve shine with this nourishing hair mask, helping to repair damaged strands and recovering hair's natural elasticity while reducing frizz and leaving hair soft and glossy. Tip: use a wide tooth comb to gently distribute the mask through your hair for maximum effect. So again, there's that. I cannot wait. I love me a hair mask, so I'm so excited when we get them. And I know that brand is a good brand, and it's not cheap, so I'm super, super excited. All right, you guys, this is a full-size product. This says full-size product value for $6.50, and it is a vanilla shower gel. That's a full-size product. I still think that's kind of a small size for a full size. My body washes that are full size are definitely at least double or triple this size. But I do like that you get a full-size product in this box. And again, it's valued for $6.50. Sometimes the smallest changes can lift your mood, and we absolutely adore a beautiful fragrance. Whether it's perfume, hair products, or body care, the rich, warming scent of vanilla coupled with chamomile extract in the shower gel is deliciously calming. But please don't taste it. It says don't taste it. Who would taste it? I guess you got to put a disclaimer there. You never know, right? Ooh. Now, I'm normally not huge hip on like a vanilla scent, like just regular vanilla scented candles and stuff like that. It doesn't do anything for me. It just I don't know. I just have never been a fan of just a vanilla scent. But this here smells really, really good, and I cannot wait to scrub a dub on my bate tonight in the shower and use this. Yes, it smells really, really good. Tip: hot, steamy showers can lead to dry, irritated skin. Keep the temperature lukewarm and pat dry with your towel. Don't rub. I did not know that. I don't take hot showers. My ass does not like hot, heat, anything to do with the hot at all, or, you know, high temperatures. So I stay clear away. So you have that product. I'm super, super excited about that. And then we have one more product left in here, you guys. This cannot be the full size product. Hold on. I can't see. Normally, like, it tells you how big. This says that it's 7.5 mil, 0.25 fluid ounces. I am having trouble believing that this is the full-size product, only because the picture that they put on here that says full-size product, if you can kind of see, this looks like it's a plastic lid with another thing underneath it, where this one here is just like a screw-off lid and you can't see through it. So either this is just a cheaper package and it's still the same quantity, so it is a still full-size product, or that's a typo and it's not supposed to be a full-size product, because that does not match this. So I'm not sure. I will look at this company's thing just to see if this is the full size or not, so you guys will know. And if I find anything, I'll put it on the side, like I love to show you guys. But this one here says Firming Eye Cream, valued for $82. So, and hold up. It's only full to like right here. For $82 and to only have it this full, because like I can literally see through. There's only down here. Yep, let me see. There's a little in the top. There's a little. Okay, so now it's like down to here now that I pushed it all down. But for halfway for only $82, like, shame on that company. Not Glossybox, this company. Like, how do you say that's a full-size $82 product and then you don't even fill it up? So, there's that. This lightweight eye cream contains native Australian lime pearl, AHAs, to gently exfoliate and smooth the eye area for a tighter and more youthful look. Plus, the illuminating diamond particles create an intense soft focus effect while diminishing the appearance of wrinkles. You can find this at us.alpha the straight line in the middle, h.com. So you have a firming eye cream and it's listed as a full-size product. Again, I'm just a little confused because the packaging is different. So they either changed the packaging or it's a different size. One of the two. So that is everything for the September box. And a quick recap of everything in here. You do have an eye cream. You have a hair mask, which I'm super excited about. You have a highlighter, a tanning mist, and a full-size body wash. All right, you guys. So that is everything that came in the September box. Again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the products that they put in here? What do you think of Glossybox? Let me know down below. If you want a little bit more information about Glossybox, I will let you know right about now. I do have a link down below in the description box. You can follow that to go check them out. You can see their beauty box, their limited edition boxes, their soon advent calendar. They also have their own skincare line, so you can check out everything that they have to offer. Again, link will be down below. This is if you do month per month. This box is only $21 per month with free international shipping. You can get it as low as $18 a month if you do a 12-month subscription. You don't have to pay for the whole 12 months up front. You're billed monthly, but you're locked into the year rate to get it cheaper. And again, free international shipping. You always get 5 products worth over $70 in every box. You get that free shipping, you get this nice constructed box, and you get that ribbon that you can save as well. So that is everything. Again, you guys, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.